Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Ramon H. This is the console that you sent in for service. Like all of the white-cased Slims, this one is a 4GB Corona motherboard. We left the LEDs the default green per your request on the send-in form, but did the RGH service via the CR4 speed-up method using the Matrix chip. As you can see, we get really nice quick boot times out of that, and once I fix the ratio on this, you'll see that the console is starting up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Dash Launch, XEX Menu, and Aurora Dash are all also pre-installed, so feel free to check out the video link that comes in your final confirmation email, because that will have a walkthrough video of how to navigate between all of this. So thank you very much for trusting us with your console. We'll go ahead and get it packed up and headed back out your way. So hope you enjoy. Thanks.